I look after Holcombe Mountain Common. I run guided walks. We walk out across the common, look at the natural history, at the industrial history of the common. The countryside and the coastline are all very accessible. We are working hard currently with Flintshire County Council to make it even more accessible. I feel that if we don't look after our county, our countryside amenity within the county, we are going to lose it. People take it for granted, but it does take an awful lot of looking after. To the wider community of Flintshire as a whole, I'd say get out, go and visit your local parks, come out, get out onto Holcombe, get involved in volunteering with the Countryside Service, with any of the local community groups that are run by Flintshire. Help out, it will give you a real sense of well-being and enjoyment.